Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU 16TH, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. Now when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the welcome screen where you get to choose the language. So for me, it's already in English, so that's what I'm going to stick with, and then tap on continue. Then choose your region. Now this isn't necessarily super necessary, it doesn't really change much, so I'm just gonna stick with whichever one is selected there, and then go next to user agreement. Now if you're curious what you're agreeing to, you have the view full agreement right here, and as you can see you can read it all, and once you can tap on agree and go to next. And from here we have the network settings. Now this step is completely optional. You can connect to your Wi-Fi or not. If you don't have one, then don't worry, you can just simply tap on next without connecting to it. And the only thing you will miss out is the ability to connect to your Google account later on throughout the setup, and also have the ability to restore the device from a backup located in the cloud. And then we have Google services. As you can see, we have three different things. We have location, localization, and scanning, I believe. It's kind of named differently here, and then send user and diagnostic data. Now as you can see, you can tap on the drop down here and read exactly what it does. So help apps find location, we'll use, I believe, just localization. Then we have location or improve location accuracy, so that is not really sure what it exactly does. Or uses Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and other stuff to just kind of locate stuff, I assume. Now again, as you can see, you can extend it, and if you don't like it, you can disable it. Now for things like the first one, the location services, I believe this will also disable the localization itself, and some apps like Google Maps will require it, so it will give you a pop-up that you need to enable it. And send user and diagnostic data, kind of self-explanatory. If you want it or not, just choose whichever, disable or enable it, and then get to the bottom and tap on accept. Then we have Flyme ID, so you can log into a Flyme ID. If you don't have one, you can simply skip it by tapping right here. As you can see, it gives you a couple features with this account. You have some kind of cloud services, save and sound, so you can store stuff in their cloud, more privileges, and much more. Very detailed information here. So you can skip it, log in, or register if you want. I'm gonna skip it. And from here we can enroll a fingerprint. Now by enrolling a fingerprint, it automatically also forces us to enroll a PIN. As you can see, it's set by default to 4 to 6-digit PIN. And you also use more complex, so it just changes it up to a password, so you can use 16 and up passwords. And from there, let's tap on continue, repeat the same PIN again, and now we can start enrolling our fingerprint by tapping on this area right here. Now if you only want the screen lock with the PIN, you can simply tap on cancel, and it will keep the PIN, but you won't have to enroll your fingerprint. And from here, simply tap on skip. Congrats, the setting is complete, so get started, and there we go. And because we tapped on skip while already after setting up the PIN, you can see that it is still set to be a PIN right here. So that is how you would go through the setup process of the device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.